Let's talk about a cafe. A cafe is a warm, welcoming place to relax and unwind. Modern, stylish cafes are very popular all across Japan. Customers usually walk up to a long wooden counter. A large menu board lists today's drinks and snacks. A friendly barista takes each customer's order. Customers order their favorite hot drink. A loud espresso machine grinds fresh, dark beans. Hot steam quickly rises from the busy machine. The skilled barista pours rich coffee carefully. Many customers order a smooth, milky latte. Some baristas draw pretty latte art on top. Some customers choose a warm, comforting cup of matcha. Others choose a cold, refreshing glass of iced coffee. A glass case displays fresh, tasty pastries. Many choose a warm croissant. The barista serves hot coffee in a mug. Busy customers often take a quick to-go cup instead. Many guests relax at a sunny window seat. Some customers quietly open their small silver laptop. Free Wi-Fi connects every laptop and phone. The whole cafe always stays calm and quiet. Soft, gentle music plays quietly in the background. A rich coffee aroma fills the whole room. Many young students study quietly there for hours. The soft chairs always feel cozy and comfortable. Customers slowly sip their warm drinks together.